Welcome to Gwin Media, where we explore creative tools to transform your ideas into reality. Today, we will show you how to create a professional song for Misio Nigeria using AI. Let's dive in. The first step is to log into your ChatGPT account. Once you're in, ask ChatGPT to generate a Happy New Year song for Misio Nigeria. Remember, you can twist this prompt based on the music you want.
To generate. Wait for the AI to craft the perfect lyrics for you. Here's what ChatGPT came up with. A beautifully written chorus. But here's the challenge. Singing this song yourself might be tricky. That's where our second AI tool comes in. Next, head to your browser and search for Suno AI. Open Suno.com and sign up. You can register using your Apple, Discord, Gmail, or Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, ensure custom mode is active. Now copy and paste the chorus generated by ChatGPT into the Suno AI platform. Explore the various music styles available, and select the one that fits the mood you're going for. Once ready, click on Create, and let Suno AI do its magic. The platform will generate 2 versions of the song for you. Listen to both and choose the one that resonates most with your vision. To take things to the next level, head over to Canva. Use the platform to design an animation or visuals that match the music you've just created. This adds a dynamic and engaging layer to your content. That's it. With ChatGPT, Suno AI, and Canva, you can create professional songs and animations effortlessly. Check the comments section for links to all the tools mentioned in this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Comment below if you want more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.